The FogMeta team specializes in distributed storage, edge computing, and fog computing. At present, the team includes 3 senior blockchain development engineers and 2 full-stack engineers. If you would like to know more about us, please visit ian.fogmeta.com. Our project Rebuilder, also named as filecoin IPFS data Rebuilder, is a build and rebuild tool between the IPFS network and the filecoin network that can help users manage their own data. The Rebuilder will always keep at least 1 hard backup and 1 code backup at any time. It ensures that the data is readily accessible to the users. The Rebuilder provides 4 functions: build, rebuild, auto-discover, and auto-rebuild. The build function enables users to store and backup their data from IPFS to the filecoin network, and the second function, rebuild, which is the main function of the project, helps us to retrieve data from the storage providers and rebuild the data from the filecoin network to the IPFS nodes. The auto-discover function means that the Rebuilder will check automatically if the IPFS node is healthy or not and discover them in time. And the fourth function, the auto-rebuild function, will firstly remove the bad IPFS nodes, and if there's no hot backup, the Rebuilder will automatically rebuild it from the filecoin network. And next I'm going to show you what does Rebuilder look like, how to use the function of it. So in the first part, you may view the total number of files as well as its size stored, and the total number of storage providers and IPFS nodes, as well as the storage deals and the current epoch of the filecoin network. And below are the details of your data listed here. You may view and copy your file name, the data CID, and view the file size, as well as click in the link to download the file. And you may see how many storage providers you have, and what are the storage deal status here, and also how many hot and cold backups. And the rebuild function here is used in a scenario where users lost their data stored on IPFS and they could rebuild it, which means they could retrieve the data from the storage providers on the filecoin network and re-backup them on the IPFS node. And if the hot backups are all lost, the automatic backup function of the Rebuilder will be triggered. The rebuild process mainly includes 4 steps. Firstly, it will find the storage provider's peer IDs by the indexer node, and then get the storage provider's IDs from the filecoin network, and retrieve the data from the storage providers using the Lotus, and finally rebuild the data to the IPFS nodes. And let's get back to this page, the Rebuilder page here. So except for the rebuild button here, there's also a button named MCS. The MCS can help you to make a new round of backup if you lost your data stored by the storage providers. So by just one click here, the MCS will help you to download the source file from the IPFS link and send them to the IPFS node, pay corresponding token, and send the deal to the storage providers of the IPFS network. Okay, it's successfully paid. And after all this have done, you may check the status of your storage here. And that's all for the introduction of the Rebuilder. Thanks, and please visit our website ian.fogmeta.com to know more about our products and services. Thank you so much.